Also a demand for just download it and see it really happening in front of you. Let everyone design something on their own in 3D.
This is also art.
Yeah, possibilities in scanning yourself, scanning objects, and to trigger your imagination that you can innovate much faster. You have faster feedback.
You might have seen one of these or others. And I want you to do that now in groups.
Here.
Sure, I'm just checking off the
speak
seal
German.
here.
Speak German.
We have 5 people, 2 kilometers divided by 5, yes?
Yeah.
But we can also use the tomatoes for that.
That was one of the things.
The difference is this is a local beer, so you just can buy it here in this region. It's
Carbon neutral product, so in the transportation of this product there is actually some, or should be actually some.
Okay. Non-bio, and they're from the Netherlands. Whereas we have a bio set of tomatoes here from Spain.
What is more green? So if you,
Well, it depends on where it's from. When they're from China and they're from Germany.
they're from the garden from my parents.
Okay,
No,
so
no.
they're...
Handling this is more difficult than handling this.
So this is how our brain works, caused by animal production.
Farmers use the machine to pick them up because it takes hours to clean the whole stable.
You reduce the ammonia by 99%, close the circuit and not make it an open market anymore. How can I prompt you?
There's also beef produced in South America. It's mainly going to Europe. Like you see it here, it's a greenhouse.
You're guilty about it.
Interesting discussion, yeah.
I don't necessarily agree with that.
People even don't know if they have pork or beef or whatever. They just buy meat and they don't know where it comes from. So you educate people a little bit about this is not just a product. This is it has been a live animal. It would facilitate those different concepts. Then you would change the meat production, build a new stable or a new housing for the pigs. Then
Student organization Umami in the other course, the other major.
Thank you.
So that's why it got
Going to make this one.
My girlfriend also this just start buying mushrooms directly from here.
Waste.
Jump waste. Cut it.
There are really new technologies we're working on at the moment. Yeah, that's
M1. So there are also other companies who make drinks.
and that's what they do up here. Next.
What do we do?
Able to visualize your global supply chain. Second best time is today. So if you want to go green with your company, work in your company, start right from the beginning.
By letting them taste it, what they sell, they can see what the quality is and they can make a better product. 2015 expires. This is the way to make coffee. Espresso bars are so 2013. To weigh everything on.
it's really bitter.
Yeah.
One had tried it.
But that's true because the water gets...
Of how many tons of CO2, say 1 kilowatt of electricity would produce. We found very variable information on the internet. One website linked them back to the footprint using formulas. So as UTI goes forward in the
Region, the Netherlands, you got a location in here, so you got, for example, a warehouse in Amsterdam. You got a certain emission which is calculated.
and here you can type in the number of employees, office space, warehouse space, and some most important data.
The data from the 2010.
There's not much to explain here because it's really basic. Because we have
This shows the energy or the waste that may created from the...
And these questions are all about the environment, about going green. So hopefully you also learn something about going green, about the sustainability, and about the supply chain.